Hello, let us discuss about pattern searching. Pattern searching is a computer science technique used to find specific sequences, called patterns, within larger data. For example, finding a word in a book or a gene sequence in DNA. It uses algorithms to efficiently locate where the pattern occurs in the data. Pattern searching is very important for text processing and data retrieval applications. These algorithms work by comparing characters or data points to identify matching patterns. They can range from simple exact matching to more complex fuzzy searches in text, images, or other types of data. Pattern searching in data structures is a fundamental string problem. It is used to study the efficiency of algorithms. Pattern searching forms the base for many advanced algorithms. It also helps in understanding important concepts such as time complexity. Pattern searching algorithms should recognize familiar patterns quickly and accurately. They are able to recognize and classify unfamiliar patterns. These algorithms can identify patterns even when they are partly hidden. They recognize patterns quickly, easily, and automatically. Pattern searching is used to find a word or phrase in a document. It is also used for find and replace operations, where words are replaced across the text. Pattern searching can also be performed using regular expressions, called regex, to match patterns such as email addresses, phone numbers, or dates. Now let us understand how pattern searching works. First, sliding window. In this method, the pattern is slid over the text, and characters are compared one by one. Next, matching. If all the characters match, an occurrence of the pattern is found. If there is a mismatch, the pattern is shifted, and the process is repeated. Finally, efficiency. Pattern searching algorithms are designed to reduce time complexity. They avoid the slow brute force approach, especially when working with large datasets. Efficient pattern searching algorithms. Now let us look at some efficient pattern searching algorithms. First, naive matching. This method is mainly used for very small files as it checks characters one by one. Next, the KMP algorithm. It is used when searching for multiple occurrences of a pattern efficiently by avoiding repeated comparisons. Next, Boyer-Moray algorithm. This algorithm is commonly used in text editors like Notepad++. It skips unnecessary comparisons, which makes the search much faster. Next, regular expression engines, also called regex engines. They extend pattern matching beyond simple strings and allow rule-based searching. For example, capital A to Z or small a to Z with a plus sign matches words. \T followed by 10 matches 10-digit phone numbers. And \PAI\B matches the exact word, AI. These algorithms improve search speed and efficiency in real-world applications. Applications. Now let us discuss the applications of pattern searching algorithms. First, text and information. Pattern searching is used in search and replace operations, spell checking, plagiarism detection, search engines, and data mining. Second, security. It is used in intrusion detection systems, malware analysis, and fraud detection in finance and insurance sectors. Third, biology and medicine. Pattern searching helps in DNA and protein sequence analysis, gene matching, and medical image diagnosis such as tumor detection. Fourth, image and speech. It is applied in facial recognition, handwriting recognition also called OCR, voice assistance, and object detection in photos. Finally, industry. It is used in quality control, process monitoring such as welding, and robotics applications like pedestrian detection. These applications show the importance of pattern searching in real-world systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, text editors provide a perfect practical demonstration of pattern matching. They reduce the need for simple string matching algorithms by using more efficient techniques. Advanced search operations use regular expressions and trie-data structures. Overall, the efficiency of pattern searching comes from algorithms like KMP, Boyer-Moray, and suffix-based structures. Thus, pattern searching plays a vital role in improving performance and efficiency in real-world applications.